Ever wondered who's really behind that loan offer you see online? You're scrolling through options, comparing interest rates and terms, but have you ever stopped to think about the journey that loan offer took to reach your screen? It's not magic, and it's definitely not a one-size-fits-all process. In fact, behind platforms like LendKey, there's a meticulous and thoughtful approach to selecting the financial institutions that ultimately provide the capital for your dreams, whether it's consolidating debt, funding a home renovation, or pursuing further education. Think of LendKey not as a direct lender itself, but as a marketplace, a carefully curated space connecting borrowers with a network of trusted banks and credit unions. This model offers you, the borrower, a wider range of options and potentially more competitive rates than you might find going directly to a single institution. But this also means that the integrity and reliability of LendKey's platform hinge on the quality of its lending partners. So, the burning question is, how exactly does LendKey choose who they work with? What's the secret sauce that ensures you're getting connected with reputable and reliable lenders? Well, it's not just about picking names out of a hat. LendKey employs a comprehensive due diligence process, a multifaceted evaluation that scrutinizes potential partners from various angles. Imagine it as an in-depth interview, background check, and performance review all rolled into one before a lending partner even gets a foot in the door. One of the foundational elements of LendKey's selection process is a deep dive into the financial health and stability of the potential partner. This isn't just a cursory glance at some numbers. It's a rigorous analysis of their balance sheets, income statements, and overall financial standing. LendKey needs to be confident that their partners have the capacity to lend consistently and reliably. They look for institutions with a strong capital base, healthy asset quality, and a proven track record of responsible financial management. This ensures that the lenders on the platform are not only able to fund loans, but are also resilient enough to weather economic fluctuations, providing a stable lending environment for borrowers. Beyond financial stability, LendKey places a significant emphasis on regulatory compliance. The financial services industry is heavily regulated for a reason, to protect consumers and maintain the integrity of the system. LendKey meticulously vets potential partners to ensure they adhere to all applicable federal, state, and local regulations. This includes verifying their licenses, reviewing their compliance programs, and assessing their history of regulatory adherence. This rigorous scrutiny helps safeguard borrowers by ensuring they are working with institutions that operate within the bounds of the law and uphold ethical standards. But it's not just about the numbers and the legalities. LendKey also takes a close look at the operational capabilities and technological infrastructure of potential partners. In today's digital age, a seamless and efficient lending process is crucial for a positive borrower experience. LendKey evaluates whether a potential partner has the technological sophistication to integrate with their platform effectively, handle loan applications smoothly, and provide borrowers with a user-friendly experience. This includes assessing their online portals, data security measures, and their ability to manage the entire loan lifecycle efficiently. A lender with outdated systems or a clunky application process simply won't cut it on LendKey's platform. Furthermore, LendKey delves into the risk management practices of potential partners. Lending inherently involves risk, and responsible lenders have robust systems in place to assess and manage that risk effectively. LendKey evaluates the potential partner's underwriting standards, their credit assessment models, and their procedures for monitoring and managing loan portfolios. This ensures that the lenders on the platform are making sound lending decisions, which ultimately contributes to a more stable and reliable lending environment for everyone. Now you might be thinking, okay, they check their finances and make sure they follow the rules. What else is there? Well, LendKey also places a strong emphasis on the borrower experience. They understand that choosing a loan is a significant financial decision, and borrowers deserve to be treated fairly and with respect. Therefore, LendKey evaluates potential partners based on their commitment to customer service, transparency in their loan terms, and their overall reputation in the market. They might look at customer reviews, feedback, and even conduct their own assessments to gauge how a potential partner treats its borrowers. A lender with a history of poor customer service or opaque lending practices is unlikely to find a place on LendKey's platform. The evaluation process isn't static either. LendKey continuously monitors the performance of its existing lending partners. This ongoing oversight allows them to ensure that their partners continue to meet the platform's standards for financial health, regulatory compliance, operational efficiency, and borrower satisfaction. Think of it as a continuous performance review. If a partner consistently underperforms in any of these areas, LendKey may take action, which could even include removing them from the platform. This commitment to ongoing monitoring ensures that borrowers continue to have access to high-quality lending options. Furthermore, LendKey fosters a collaborative environment with its partners. They work closely with them to ensure a smooth integration with the platform and to continuously improve the borrower experience. This collaborative approach allows LendKey to stay informed about the latest trends and best practices in the lending industry and to ensure that their partners are equipped to offer competitive and attractive loan products. It's also important to understand that LendKey works with a diverse range of lending institutions, including traditional banks and community-focused credit unions. This diversity allows borrowers to explore different types of lenders with potentially varying approaches and offerings. LendKey's vetting process takes into account the unique characteristics and missions of these different types of institutions while still upholding its core standards for financial stability, compliance, and borrower experience. So, the next time you see a loan offer through LendKey, remember that it's the result of a rigorous and multi-layered selection process. It's a testament to LendKey's commitment to connecting you with reputable and reliable lending partners who have been thoroughly vetted for their financial health, regulatory compliance, operational capabilities, risk management practices, and dedication to borrower satisfaction. This careful curation is what helps build trust and provides you with the confidence to make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.